Welcome to the U.S. Youth Soccer Region 2 Tops in a Box video series. Our goal is to present you with all the basic knowledge needed to begin starting a top soccer program. These series of videos are intended to answer many of the questions you might have regarding the various considerations and strategies that go into developing a well-organized top soccer program. Risk management is necessary for any sports team. The risk management needs for our athletes is very similar to those of most able-bodied neurotypical athletes. The main goal is to minimize the risk to your participants and your program. We have identified five areas where we can minimize these risks: education, liability waivers and forms, playing environment, equipment, and insurance. U.S. Youth Soccer offers some coaching education courses specific to top soccer for new coaches and buddy volunteers. It is highly recommended that new programs have at least one coach that has been through the certification course. Just like any soccer program, it's highly recommended that coaches receive first aid and CPR training and recertify every few years. Concussion protocol training is available for free online from the Center of Control. A good coach never stops learning. We encourage all of our coaches to look for additional education offers like those offered at the Regional Top Soccer Symposium and the U.S. Youth Soccer Workshop events held every year. Players at any ability level assume some risk when playing soccer. Medical risks, such as those provided by your local state association, are a must to protect your program and your personal assets. We also suggest that each participant and buddy sign an image waiver so that you can take pictures and use them when promoting your program. When labeling images, be sure not to use any last names of minors. You should have a comprehensive registration form that has all the necessary contact information for your families, as well as the following information for your players: date of birth, nature of disability, additional medical issues such as allergies, asthma, or seizures, strategies to help them cope with stress, and any fears that they may have. A background check should be performed for any buddy or coach that will be involved in the program that is over the age 18. If you play outdoors, it's suggested that you have an established lightning policy so that everyone knows what to do and what the protocols are in the event of lightning. Top Soccer is not a babysitting service. Each player must have a parent and guardian on site at all times. There may be a situation that will require their assistance, especially with nonverbal participants. Since most playing fields are used by many different organizations, it's important to inspect the safety of the field before every session. For outdoor programs, be wary of broken glass, garbage, and potholes. For indoor programs, look for liquids on the floor that would be easy to slip on. If there are any equipment or property features that can't be moved, be sure to stay away from them and let everyone know of their presence. It is okay to enlist the help of parents to help keep an eye out for dangerous areas, entrances, and exits. Players should wear appropriate footwear and shin guards. Adaptive equipment such as wheelchairs and walkers should be inspected to make sure that there are no loose components or sharp edges. A first aid kit and a fully charged mobile phone should be on site in case of injury. Registration forms or copies of them should be kept on site for reference if needed. An emergency action plan is recommended. Having a plan with contact information for local hospitals and established procedures will help everyone keep a clear head in times of emergency. When you register your program and players with your state association, you will have the ability to purchase general liability and accident and health insurance for a very modest fee. Usually it is less than $10 a player, but it is substantially less than what could be purchased on your own. Most facilities will require that you provide them with a certificate of insurance for general liability coverage. When you are registered with your state association, these will be available on demand for all the locations you use. We thank you for watching this video in our Tops in a Box video series, and we encourage you to watch all the videos to learn more about Top Soccer. For more information, we suggest that you visit the Top Soccer page of both the U.S. Youth Soccer Region 2 website and your local state association website.